Hey guys, today I'm back with these tortoise nails, and I was inspired to do these by my own tortoise. Her name's Dynamite. Here's a picture of her. She's cute, isn't she? Anyway, if you like these nails, I'll show you how to do it. So I started off with painting my middle and ring finger with super chic lacquer in Awkward Turtle. And then with my Moyu London Animal template and a black stamping polish, I stamped both of the tortoises, so the big one and the little ones as well. So leaving those on the stamper, I filled in their heads and their legs with a light green, and then their shells with a light brown. And then I just did that the same for all the other little tiny tortoises. Careful with the painting, you don't want to dig too far in, otherwise you'll ruin the decal underneath. Trust me, I've done that before. And then I just applied a glossy top coat to my nail, and then I waited for about a minute, and then I just stamped the design on my nail. And then with a clean up brush and acetone, I just cleaned around the nail. And I did exactly the same for the big tortoise. And then for my index and pinky finger, I painted with a super chic lacquer in Awesome Sauce. And then with the hollow taco, unicorn skin, and this is solar unicorn skin, I just painted that on my nail. And then once that was dry, I used my Moyu London Pro 03 plate and that brown polish I used for the shells, and just stamped this sort of tortoise shell pattern. And I stamped that directly onto my nail. Ignore my ratchet nails here, I was trying to take out. And here I am just showing on the pinky. Don't do that very often on my channel. And finally, a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these tortoise nails. I love these, I think they're so cute. If you agree with me, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe for good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!